Continue practice about exercise. Change form from the graph become to the factorizing form equation. From this question, you got the x-intercept here is -4, 8 here, and the y-intercept will be 6. Okay, so I will start with the general form of the factorizing x minus c now. Okay, and here's the way how can I solve this question. Because the x-intercept is equal to -4, so I will have the first bracket will be x plus 4. And the second bracket you will have here is x minus 8 because the second x-intercept is x equal to 8. So for here, that's figure out two bracket, and now I will figure out the value for a. About the value of a, I mean based on the graph here, we have the y-intercept is 6. Because y-intercept is 6, it means x equal to 0 and y equal to 6 now. Okay, and here you got y equal to 6. You got a here, x plus 4 here, and x minus 8 here. So 6 now. We got x equal to 0. Okay. Here is 4, here is minus 8, and then you got a will be 6 divided by minus 32, divided by 2, 3 here, 16 now, minus 3 over 16. So a equal to minus 3 over 16, minus 3 over 16. This makes sense because the question here, you can see here you got the form of this graph will be set. This means you will got this one. The coefficient of x here will be of x squared here will be negative. Yeah, the first number will be minus 3 over 16 here, multiply x equal to minus 3 x squared over 16, so minus 3 over 16 will be less than 0. That's why you got the form of set phase. Okay, first example, we finish. The second example you got here. The point of this one will be the vertex, it means the maximum point. So how can I figure out the graph here? By factorizing form equation. So we can see that minus 2 will be the x-intercept, x equal to minus 2, so x plus 2 is the first bracket, x equal to 4, x minus 4 will be the second bracket. But about this point, we have problem. Because at this point, we know that this one will be the vertex, but we already only have the y-intercept, the y-coordinate of the vertex here. So I need one more information. I need the information of symmetrical line. About the symmetrical line when connecting to the x-intercept information. So about the symmetrical line, we can see that the midpoint between two x-intercept will be the symmetrical line. Minus 2 plus 4 divided by 2. You got here is 1 equal to x, so symmetrical line will be x equal to 1. X equal to 1. Yes, so x equal to 1, the vertex here will have 1 for x and 4 for y. Okay, x equal to 1 and y equal to 4. So combine them together, you got here is 4 will be equal to a 1 minus I think so 1 plus 2, sorry, 1 plus 2 and 1 minus 4. Yeah, so here is 4, here is a, here is 3, here minus 3, and then you got a equal to minus 4 over 9. Minus 4 over 9. Okay, so my final answer for this question will be y equal to minus 4 over 9. The first bracket is x plus 2 and the second bracket is x minus 4. It will be x minus 4. Okay. Go on for this kind of question. The next one you got the y-intercept here. You got here is 5. X equal to 5 and x equal to 9. Oh, I think I should change the color here. Here red. Yeah, h minus 5 and h minus 9 will be the second bracket. So you got the form here will be h minus 5 and h minus 9 now. And based on this point 0 and 7, y-intercept, you got here is 7, you got here is 0 substitute it in here, and 0 substitute it in here. After that you got here is the 7, this one is minus 5, and this one is minus 9. After that you got will be 7 over 45. 745. So y here equal to 7 over 45 and h minus 5 and then h minus 9 now. We finish this question, and I think the next one will be harder because we have the vertex point here. So for the vertex, one more time, I need to figure out the value of the symmetrical equation or symmetrical line. Okay, based on here, you got the x-intercept is 7 and the second one will be 11. Add them together, divide by 2 for figure out the symmetrical line. You got here is 9. So x equal to 9 will be the symmetrical line. So go on for the general form. You got the x-intercept is 7, so x minus 7. You got 11, yeah, so x minus 11. The two here you have a multiply with x minus 7 and x minus 11. Two bracket we figure out, but about the point, about the value of a here, we unfinished. So we base on the vertex coordinate here, minus 2 and 9. Y equal to 9 here, a will be minus 2. So you got here a minus 11, and this one is 9, here is a minus 9, and then you got minus 13, so a 9 here divide by 9 multiply 13. Sorry, because you got minus multiply and minus in positive, so I don't need to write down the minus sign here. So simplify 9 and 9, I got a equal to 1 over 13. Yeah, 1 over 13 for the value of a. It means the final answer will be 1 over 13 multiply h minus 7 multiply with h minus 11. Yeah, about the vertex, a little bit harder than y-intercept, right? Okay, and the next one, we have two more question. So for here, I can figure out the value of the first bracket will be x plus 3 and the second bracket will be x minus 7. And the general form here will have a in the beginning. You got the first bracket now and you got the second bracket now. The third point here is very easy. 0 and 6. It means y equal to 0 and x equal, y equal to 6 and x equal to 0. Plus 3 here. And for here you got a. Here is 6 equal to a multiply 3 minus 7 now. And for here you got a 6 over minus 21. And simplify this, divide by 3, you got here 2 divide by minus 7. Okay, so the final answer for here, minus 2 over 7, and then h plus 3, and then h minus 7. h plus 3 minus 7. Okay, move to the last question in this video. We have one more time for the vertex. Yeah. So using the x-intercept first, here is minus 5 and this one is 3. And here you got x plus 5. For here you got x minus 3. Yeah, so you got here is y a times x plus 5 and x minus 3. Yep, and now you got 5 here. About 5 here, we need to figure out the symmetrical line. About symmetrical line, I will using minus 5 and 3 here. Minus 5 plus 3 divided by 2 equal to minus 2 divided by 2 equal to minus 1. So for the symmetrical line, we have minus 1 here. This means x equal to minus 1 and here equal to 5. Okay, so about the vertex point, you got x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 5. Yeah, substitute 5 for y, minus 1 for x. We can figure out the value for a. Minus 3 here. 5, a, 4, minus 4. So for a equal to 5 divided by minus 16. Yeah, minus 5 over 16 now. So you got the final answer will be minus 5 over 16 multiplied with x plus 5 and then x minus 3. Yeah, the final answer for this question.